Hey guys, how you doing? So today I'm gonna show you how you can create images or Facebook posts that's gonna give you a lot of likes and followers and also a lot of reactions. So the plan is to have a lot of reaches for the Facebook page. So to do this we need an app called the Pixart. You can download this from Google Play Store or iOS App Store. You just need to open the app. You need a good picture for your social media, let's say this one. Click on stickers, go search here, search like Facebook or Facebook likes, whatever. You can do this. I'm gonna put one here and sticker. I'm gonna put another one here. Let's say the like button. And I'm gonna save it. So done. And then I'm gonna go to my Facebook page. That's it actually. All I have to do is share the image and I'm gonna get a lot of likes like this. So I'm asking the users which one do you like. Based on which one they like, they're gonna post the reactions, either the love reaction or the like reaction, like for Chandler or love for Chandler or like for Joey. So it's been posted. As I can show you guys some examples of this kind of thing. My post reaches around 63,000 people. That means 63,000 people have seen my posts. You can see this. I created this kind of images. Tag your friend who helped you no matter what. So I create this kind of stuff. Yeah, and thank you very much. Hope to see you guys soon.